Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a plan in the VisitACity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the My Plans button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Explore Plans button. And as you can see, this is now exploring some Paris attractions and must-sees. So if you are interested in, for example, landmarks and attractions, there is a 4-day of Paris landmarks and attractions tour available, so just click on that. And as you can see, the application is basically planning the whole 4-day trip for you, and you can see the exact time and how many time will you have at each place, and what are your options at some point. So, and then you can watch day 2, day 3, and then day 4, and you can also add your hotel, so it will calculate the distances. And if you are interested in this, then just add to your plans by clicking on the button. And if you go on the My Plans button, you will see that the plan is now added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.